Welcome to Wedding Cakes for You Cake Tutorials. I'm Lorelei, and in this video you will learn how to create this beautiful Valentine's Day cake using royal icing and buttercream. The royal icing recipe starts with 3 egg whites, 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1 pound of confectionery sugar, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix that on high for 5 to 10 minutes. Keep it covered with a damp cloth as it dries out very quickly. This is a batch of my favorite Italian meringue buttercream. I added red, a few tablespoons of cocoa, a dash of pink, 1/4 cup of confectionery sugar. This is my butter cake recipe, which you can find in my book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelei Step by Step on Amazon, and also in ebook form at my website. The links are below and in the card above. The filling is orange apricot marmalade and chocolate ganache. Pop your cake into the fridge to firm the filling a bit before crumb coating with the ganache. The final coat goes on with an icing tip number 789. Create 2 rows of buttercream ruffles using a large petal tip. And the drop strings are made with the number 3 round tip. You just touch the cake with the icing, squeeze and let the string drop naturally. Move the tip to the right and then touch the icing to the surface of the cake when you're happy with the length and the drape of the string. You can pipe little Swiss dots with the same tip, number 3. You can also use the number 2. Use a damp brush to fix any of the imperfections. Corneli lace is made with the number 1 round tip. These are just squiggly lines and they don't overlap each other. This is gold dust powder and I mixed it with almond extract, but you can use vodka. You brush it on to the edges of the ruffles after your frosting hardens. A tiny jewel on top completes the design and the sweet little sign. Wedding Cakes For You provides aspiring bakers with the recipes and steps for building skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and cherished memories. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.